Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll give you a complete overview of pipelines and deal stages in Bitrix24 so you can track your sales process from start to finish. First, a pipeline is a visual map of your sales process. To find yours, go to the CRM section and click on Sales or Pipelines. Each pipeline is made up of stages. Think of stages as steps a deal moves through, like new lead, qualification, proposal, and one. You can have multiple pipelines for different products or sales teams. For example, one for your main service and another for consulting. When you create a new deal, you place it in the first stage of your chosen pipeline. As you work with the client, you simply drag the deal to the next stage. Each stage can have its own automation. You can set it to automatically send an email, create a task, or notify a team member when a deal enters that stage. The key is that everyone can see exactly where each deal stands at a glance, making your entire sales process transparent and organized. And that's it. You now understand the core of sales management in Bitrix24 if you set up a new pipeline. Let me know what you're selling in the comments. See you in the next one.